Student, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tarun Sharma. In this video, I will discuss about class 10, chapter 1st and 2nd, practice set. Okay, let us discuss our chapter 1st, practice set 1. Let us discuss the first MCQ. First MCQ is that one question first. A website is a collection of dash. Option A, HTML document. Option B, graphics file. Option C, audio and video. And option D, all of the above. Answer: option D, all of the above. And next question 2, HTML is an acronym for. Option is that option A, Hyper Transfer Mail Language. Option B, HTML language. And option C, Hypertext Markup Language. And option D, Hypertext Mail Language. Answer is that option C, Hypertext Markup Language. Next question 3rd, the first page that you normally view at a website is its A, home page, B, master page, C, first page, and D, banner page. Answer is that A, home page. Home page is the first page of a website. And question 4, which of the following is not a type of protocols? Option A, HTTP. Option B, SMTP. Option C, FTP. And option D, HTML. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. And option D, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Answer is that HTML, because in this question asking are not a type of protocols, and option A, B, C are the protocols, and HTML is a markup language. Okay. Question 5th. When you visit a website, it will open the page set as ... of the website. Option A, website. Option B, home page. Option C, email. And option D, ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Answer is that B, home page. Question 6. The protocols used for internet is dash. Option A, W3C. Option B, TCP/IP. Option C, HTTP. And option D, none of these. W3C is also known as World Wide Web, WWW. And TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocols. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Answer is that TCP/IP. Question 7. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, Information Service Provider, Internet Service Protocol, and D, none of these. Answer is that option A, Internet Service Provider. Question 8. Online personal journal where one can post her entries to which others can post comments is called option A, blog, B, news group, C, website, and D, none of these. Answer is blog. Question 9. Which of the following protocols is used for World Wide Web? Option A, W3C, HTTP, option C, FTP, and option D, TCP. Answer HTTP. HTTP is used for World Wide Web. It is stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. that is used to transfer a text over the internet. And question 10, which protocol is used on most URL addresses? A. HTML, B. HTTP, C. HTTP, and D. H-link. Answer is that C. HTTP. Next question. Which of these is not a part of URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Option A, IP address. Option B, port number. Option C, domain name. And option D, none of these. Answer is that A, IP address. Question 12. In URL http://www.india.com/pr.main.htm, which components identify the protocols or type of the server? Option A, HTTP. Option B, www.india.com. Option C, /pr/main.htm, and D, none of these. Answer is that HTTP. Okay. Next question 13. In URL http://www.india.com/pr/main.htm, which component identify the website? Option A, HTTP. Option B, www.india.com. Option C, /pr/main.htm, and option D, none of these. Answer is that option B, www.india.com. Next question. In the URL ftp://abc.com, FTP stands for domains, rules, scheme, packets. Answer is that scheme. Option C. Question 15. In your question 13 in URL, जो question 13 है सेम उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. In URL, which component identify the path of a web page? Option same, HTTP website, C, pr/main.htm, and none of these. Answer is C. .com pr/main.htm. Fill in the blank. Question first. The internet is most often used for the exchange of data and data. Answer, message and information. इंटरनेट का हम यूज़ करते हैं मैसेज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करने के लिए. ओके. Next question. Web pages on a site are linked together through a system of data. Answer, hyperlinks. Next question. The data are documents that use HTTP. Answer, web pages. Next question. The main responsibilities of IPR database. Answer, addressing and routing. Question 5. The addresses of location of the documents on the World Wide Web is called its database. Answer URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Next question 6. A database is used to browse the web. Answer web browser. Next question 7. A protocol is a database. Answer set of rules. We know that a protocols perform by some rules. Question 8. A web browser is a web database. Answer client. Average web browser is also known as client. The .com in web address means. Answer commercial. Question 10. Two popular web browsers are first Google Chrome and second Mozilla Firefox. Let us discuss our chapter 2, practice set 1. Multiple choice question MCQ. First question. In web services, the communication take place between option A, two electronic devices, option B, two human beings, option C, two spiders, option D, none of these, none of above. Answer A, two electronic devices. Next question. An email can be sent via ... Option A, PC, option B, tablet, option C, smartphone, option D, all of these. Answer is that option D, all of these. Question 3. In email address, the characters following @ characters represent username, option B, email recipient, and D, domain name, and D, none. Option answer is C, domain name. Okay. Next question 4. In the email address, hit the @edupillar.com. What is the domain name? Option A, the whole email address, option B, .com, option C, edupillar.com, option D, hit there. Answer option C, edupillar.com. Question 5. Which of the following is not a legal domain in context of a web address? Option A, edu, option B, com, and option C, tv, and option D, work. Answer D, work. Work is not a legal domain. Question 6. Field of email compose box allows to send same message to multiple recipients without getting them know about other recipients. Option A, CC, option B, 2, option C, BCC, option D, message. Answer is that BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Next question 7. Online textual talk is called. Option A, video conferencing. Option B, telephony. Option C, text phone. Option D, chat. Answer option D, chat. Chat is the online textual talk. Question 8. The process of transferring files from the server to a client is called. Option A, downloading. Option B, uploading. Option C, browsing. And option D, surfing. Answer option A, downloading. It downloads a file from the server to a client or a computer. Next question 9. A two-way video phone conversation among multiple participants is called. Option A, video chatting. Option B, video talking. Option C, video conferencing. And option D, video watching. Answer video conferencing. And video conferencing is a way of in this a two or more person conversation among multiple participants together. Face to face conversation. Question 10. Out of the following, which one is the most used feature of internet? Option A, email. Option B, telnet. Option C, CPU. And option D, Usenet. Answer option A, email. Question 11. Buying good while placing order online is called. Option A, e-commerce. Option B, e-shopping. Option C, e-buying. And option D, all of the above. Answer is that option B, e-shopping. E stands for electronic. Shopping stands for electronic shopping. Okay. Question 12. An IP address is a string of numbers separated by period A3, B4, C2 and D5. Answer is that B4. Question 13. A domain name ending with .in belong to. Option Israel, India, Indonesia, Iran. Answer India. .in is used domain in India. Next question. Several computers connected together is called. First, A, client server. B, client, C, computer network. And D, hub. Answer option C, computer networking. Okay. And next question 15. Which software below is an email client? A, Windows Vista. B, Internet Explorer. C, MS Office. And D, Outlook. Answer D, Outlook. Windows Vista is the operating system. Internet Explorer is the application software. Web browser. And MS Office is also application software. And Outlook is email. Let us discuss the sum filling the blanks. First, ... is a remote login service. Answer Telnet. Question 2. BCC stands for. Blind carbon copy. Question 3. The email are stored in. Answer inbox. Online textual talk is called chat. The two parts of email address are separated by answer @ 192.168.1.41 is an example of an IP address, Internet Protocol address. The default color of hyperlink on a web page. Answer blue. Next question. Blog stand for weblog diary. Question 8. Document on the web is called answer web page. Next question. Internet is a network of websites are located on web server. Thanks to all for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन, ओके, जिससे कि आपको कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट के जो भी नोटिफिकेशन है या जो वीडियोज़ हैं वो आपको मिल सकें, ओके। थैंक्स टू ऑल।